Hi everyone, this is our latest offering. This is a 2017 Neoplan Tourliner and it's a P20. It's a tri-axle 13.1 metre 55 seat executive coach plus driver and courier. Now some people will recognise that the livery is Shearings Holidays, so it's been on Shearings Holidays duties for the last few years, and as you'd expect it needs to be to a very high standard for a very good holiday company such as themselves. It's got a continental door, it's got the boiler and the toilet there, the drinks facility in the toilet. It's got alloy wheels and it's got very good tyres on all the way around. Bodywork is good. There's a couple of marks, a couple of little bits of peeling. I'll show you a little bit around the next corner, but generally very clean and tidy. There's a little mark on the bumper there. We'll go to the engine. The engine's nice and sweet. Now, spoke to the operator what coaches of Cardiff used to operate this, and this has had a full engine rebuild at a cost of over £30,000, including new turbo, radiator, intercooler, full work, so a full engine rebuild. Just point this out to you, somebody was a bit heavy-handed taking the shearing stickers off, and you can see a bit of paint peeling there. Tri-axle with massive luggage space, as you can see. Now this probably is the most versatile of the Neoplan models. For some reason they call this the P20, and then the two axle is a P21, and the short one, the 12 metre one, and then the tri-axle is a P22. So not sure what was going on there when the Germans decided that. 471,000 Ks, but as I said, it's had a full engine rebuild since. And there was a bit of an issue where I believe from the operator is that there was a coolant leak and somebody kept driving and overheated the engine. That's why I needed an engine rebuild. Reverse cameras fitted. This very nice sort of racing colours, as I would call them, maquette, which I really like. This model is a Select Plus, which is one of the Neoplan model, so it's slightly higher spec than the standard one. 3-point belts, centre toilet. It's got this drinks machine facility, the German type version, the Frenzel system, which has got the drinks machine in there, sausage boiler, with all the gubbins in there. As you can see, it's in very good condition, as you'd expect from doing adult tour work. Seat back tables, it's got footrests. It's ideal for sort of touring and general private hire work, and it's still got lots of life left in it. It's got two video monitors. Yeah, really nice, clean, handy vehicle. So to recap, 2017, registered June 17. Neoplan P20 Tourliner tri-axle 55 seat executive coach plus driver and courier. Thank you.